Suspicious activity?
Yes.
What's
Do you have your driver's license on you, sir?
What's your name?
Do you have your driver's license on you, sir?
Sir, you didn't pull me. You can't pull me over for suspicious activity.
Actually, I can.
Can you call your supervisor?
I'm not gonna do it.
You have to have a statute why you pull me over.
Can I get a supervisor to my location, please?
He didn't know what your intentions were or what you had in your hands.
Right.
Okay, it's certainly within the law to film. You just have to do it in a way that isn't going to cause concern with regards to an officer's safety.
No, that's not true.
Have you ever wondered what happens when police prioritize their feelings over the law, or when they encounter someone who truly knows their rights? In this video, we'll show you how understanding your rights can protect you from tyrant officers who either don't know the law or choose to ignore it. But remember, even calling a supervisor doesn't always guarantee your safety. Which moment will surprise you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button to help spread awareness about protecting your rights, and join us in the fight to end police misconduct.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, how you doing?
Officer Forgot Avenue Police Department.
Yeah.
What are you up to today?
What'd you pull me over for?
I was just curious. I saw you behind me. I couldn't
You
tell what
turned
you
your
had.
emergency lights on and pulled me over because you were curious?
Yeah,
Is that
suspicious
legal?
activity.
What statute is that?
It's suspicious activity, sir.
What's
Do you
your
have your
badge?
driver's license on you?
What'd you pull me over for?
Suspicious activity. I didn't know what you were
That's
doing.
not
behind me.
that's not a law.
Actually, I
no,
can
it
pull you
isn't.
over for that, sir.
Suspicious activity.
Yes.
What's
Do you have your driver's
name?
license on you, sir?
What's your name?
Do you have your driver's license on you, sir?
Sir, you didn't pull me. You can't pull me over for suspicious activity.
Actually, I can.
No, you can't.
I can.
Can you call your supervisor?
I'm not gonna do it.
You have to have a statute why you pull me over.
Can I get a supervisor to my location, please?
What was the suspicious activity?
Can I ask what you were doing out there, sir?
I'm not going to answer any questions
So why are you asking me questions then?
because you're a public servant. I'm not. I'm not paid with taxpayer dollars.
Okay. So what's your name? Is this your car?
Why did you pull me over? What statute is that you pulled me over for? What lawful reason? Can you articulate that? Because I took your picture?
I couldn't tell what you were doing, sir.
Right. Well, then you pulled me over because you couldn't tell what I was doing?
Because it was suspicious activity. You sat behind
what
me even though there was
statute
no
is
reason to. There was
suspicious
no traffic
activity?
coming.
I didn't sit behind you.
Yes, you did. You sat on Brewster Street for a while.
Yeah.
There was no traffic coming. You could have pulled out and turned north onto
You were
Richmond as
impeding
your blinker
traffic.
suggested.
Why were you sitting there? There was no car in front of you.
I had conducted a traffic stop.
All right, move out of the way of the road. You're impeding traffic.
10-4, can you check it out?
Hi,
Hi.
Lieutenant Alvac with Appleton Police. You asked to talk to a supervisor?
Yeah, this guy pulled me over for suspicious activity.
Okay.
He said, what statute is that?
Which what?
What statute is
Well,
that?
it's not a statute, sir. It's a...
So he's pulling me over for a non-violation. I haven't violated, I wasn't committing a crime. I wasn't about to commit a crime, and he didn't catch me committing a crime.
Okay.
Why did he, or any violation, why did he pull me over? Suspicion in itself isn't a reason to pull someone over.
Well, when you're in an area where an officer is conducting a traffic stop on another vehicle and you
Right.
stop and you have something in your hand, it's kind of a dangerous world we live in right now. Okay, so he didn't know what your intentions were or what you had in your hands.
Right.
Okay, it's certainly within the law to film. You just have to do it in a way that isn't going to cause concern with regards to an officer's safety.
No, that's not true. The Supreme Court already ruled on this. It doesn't interfere with the officer safety.
Yep.
At all.
Yep. Okay, so he stopped to see what you had in your hand because he didn't know
Well,
it was a camera.
that's not what he said. He said suspicious activity.
Yep.
And that's not a reason to stop me either.
Okay. Well, it could be. It certainly could be.
Well, a lot of things could be, but
Yeah.
it's not.
Well, the totality of everything here is he didn't know that was a camera. Okay, if it was clearly a camera, it wouldn't have been a stop. But he didn't know what it was.
Yeah, it's still a violation of my rights for him to pull me over for that reason.
Okay, we don't have anything else right now? Okay. Okay, well,
Yeah, I didn't commit any violation or crime. You can't run my ID.
Okay.
I'm talking to you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
do you need it for anything else? 'Cause
Don't stop people unlawfully. Honor your oath.
You're on your way, sir.
Honor your oath.
You're on your way.
You're on your way.
Can you point down your camera?
What do you think it is?
Why don't you pay attention to the roll?
Why don't you stop talking to me?
You're blocking the traffic, Dance. Don't you see that you're blocking traffic, Dance? I'm not gonna have a seat. I'm not gonna have a seat. This is Corona PD, guys. He's telling me to sit down for no reason.
I got a call on you. Have a seat.
I don't give a.
Okay.
You're gonna care, fool. Call your supervisor now.
You were causing a disturbance.
What's a disturbance?
Detained. Have a seat.
Okay, I'm not gonna sit down.
Okay.
If I'm being detained, I'm gonna call my lawyer.
Okay. Call your lawyer.
Yeah. Stupid. Filming is not causing a disturbance.
That's not what I'm being told. So have a seat.
I don't care. I'm not gonna sit down.
Have a seat.
I'm not gonna sit down. I'm not gonna sit down.
You can't be arrested for not complying with my orders.
What did I do wrong? I'm just filming.
I'm calling you disturbance.
They are disturbing my peace. They are bugging me. They almost hit me twice. Hey, Mr. Hemming. You're live right now. This is Corona Police Department. This is squad. Hey, Mr. Hemming. Hey, Corona PD right now, it's illegally detaining me because they said that I was creating a disturbance because I'm filming outside a business. Have you called your supervisor? You know you're legally detaining me, right?
I'm on a call.
I understand. I was filming and they came up to me for no reason. How is that disturbing the peace? Explain me that. Exercising my rights it's disturbing the peace?
You're blocking their business.
I'm not blocking the business. I'm not harassing no one. Did I come up to them?
That's what they told me.
Well, I have to walk towards their property to go up to them. How am I gonna do that? Well, this guy here is illegally detaining me because I'm filming. And I haven't done anything wrong.
We got a call that you caused a disturbance, and I told you have.
How is filming disturbing the peace? I don't have to sit down. I don't have to sit down.
just real quick, and we'll be out of the way. Are you a probation pro?
No.
Okay, cool. Hey, do me a favor. You're welcome to film on the sidewalk.
Thank you.
That's totally fine.
Thank you.
Don't threaten anybody. Don't
Well,
harass anybody.
if they come up to me to hit me, I have to move out and defend myself, no?
Of course. You can
Exactly, and he doesn't get that. I'm gonna pull out your file, and trust me, I'm gonna put you online, dog. I'm gonna put you online. I'm gonna make you my bitch on YouTube. My lawyer is gonna make you his mother. You get, vas a hacer orgullo a tu familia, baboso. Juárez es tú. You get it, you get it, huh, bitch? No, I need a case number. I need a case number. I need a case number. Hey, I need a case number, bitch. Why are you walking away, bitch? I need a case number.
If you want to talk to me like a...
I need a case number now.
If you want to talk to me, politely.
Why does he have to come and detain me,
If you wanna
illegally
talk to
detain me? I
politely,
am.
I will give you
I
some
am.
information.
Can I have it,
But
please?
don't yell at me. Don't
Can I
yell
have
at
it,
him.
please?
Yes,
Can I
okay.
have it, please?
Give me 1 second.
All right.
Okay.
Why do you have to come and train them?
What?
He's supposed to know about it.
Restraint on a third temporary over.
Here, I want to give you the info.
Order.
I'm gonna pull out you guys' files. Trust me, you guys are gonna be on the map
Mind just
again.
telling me your name?
No?
I'm just here to educate, you know what I mean? So like the First Amendment says that if it is a publicly accessible area, then the press can go back there and
You
film.
are more than welcome to go back there. We just don't allow you to take pictures of the actual pages. They have to be copied and they have to be paid for.
Okay, well I'm gonna suggest that we do start allowing that because that would be compliant with the law.
This is from the state of Indiana.
Right.
It comes from the state.
I'll demonstrate for you guys just so you can see it is allowed. We are allowed to do that.
It's not allowed.
He's not opening any books, so.
Well, even if we did want to open any books, it's like you can have signs like this all you want, but unless there's an IC code backing it up, that sign is just a suggestion. You guys know what I mean? Like, unless there's a law, we can't enforce we're not sign enforcement or law enforcement. So if there is no law, then we could grab, say,
There is a law from the state of Indiana that
What is
tells
that
us
law?
you cannot take a picture out of that book.
All right, let's put the stuff back in here. They allowed you in here, but they said don't look in the, I don't know. But it's their office, okay?
What are you, man? Are you a law enforcement officer?
I'm a retired law enforcement officer.
I see. So
Okay.
after you retired, did you start enforcing feelings, or?
I'm a bailiff.
Okay.
With
Awesome,
courts.
man. Great. So are you supposed to be in court or something?
No, I don't have court right now.
Okay. When do you have court?
Yeah, from time to time. Just don't have any right now.
I
so.
gotcha. Are you a law
No, we don't
enforcement
care
officer?
if you're down here. You're fine, but if they say they don't want that,
Right, but just because,
well,
yeah,
if they say there's a
we run into this all the time. We're gonna need to get that camera footage from you.
Good.
Where do you work in here?
I work in voter registration.
Voter registration. Okay, awesome.
What
Thank
is
you.
your name?
If you give me yours, I'll identify.
No, I asked you what your name was.
We always run into this roadblock too.
Do you? I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
unfortunately.
What I would advise you.
Don't.
You say no?
They just can't take pictures of the page.
We can. There's no law.
Well, she said no. Okay.
Well, the
so,
state says, the state level tells us now.
And if that's a policy of your guys's, is that the policy?
She just said it was the
no
state's.
pictures.
It's passed down from the state.
If it's a policy, man,
she
I
said
don't
it
gotta
was the
follow
state, and it was the law. Is that correct?
It's
That's
not.
what the state
It's not a
passes down to
law.
us.
It's a
She's
policy.
the person in charge here, so she said no.
No, she's not in charge.
She is. She's the office holder.
She is the office holder. She's not in charge of the office.
Okay.
So.
She's the
But you don't get to set rules. and
She's the
laws.
office holder. Okay.
Man, look. Why are you giving me a hard time?
I'm not giving you a hard time.
I'm just trying
telling
to
you
do my
what
job, man.
You see, I'm coming down here. They're telling me that you're down here, and I'm down
man,
here with you.
I'm just trying to do my job, brother. If you could just cooperate, we appreciate it. Man. All right, thank you. So we got the deed record. We got.
By state law, he's not supposed to be taking pictures. Okay.
Okay. This is fine.
And he's continuing to do it anyway.
Yeah, but Tracy's telling me I can't take pictures of the keys and stuff. You know what? Make learn about it. So it's. Yeah. Except for this is personal information.
This is all public. All of this, I could request all this information, but guys, that's fine. I don't really care for the information. I'm sure
the
you don't.
information, it costs $1 per page if you want to look at it, okay?
Anything my eyes can see, I can record with my camera.
It's fine.
You can, but you can't open the pages to turn.
If my eyes can see it after I open
No,
them,
that's what the rules is by the person in there.
right, I get it. Yeah, policy, they get to set policy for employees.
No, they
But
can
nobody
set
gets to
policy.
legislate except for in Indianapolis, the Congress of our state gets to legislate.
Okay,
Do you get what I'm saying, though?
I know what you're saying.
Okay.
But I've got to stand by what we've got our SOPs to follow and stuff too.
Do you guys, you're a law enforcement officer, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You enforce, what do you enforce?
The law.
Okay. So you know that this
But
is
the
a
rule
law?
is, right now, just do what, we don't mind you filming, but out there's voting going on. We can't have you doing any of that.
Oh, we know what we're allowed to do and what we're not allowed to do, man. Like this, though, there's simply no law against this, man. This is all public record. If my eyes can see it, I can record it.
Yeah. Okay, have a good time.
As we've seen, many police officers seem more focused on feeding their egos than upholding the law, respecting rights, or caring about civilians. This is exactly why knowing your rights is so important, and why raising awareness matters. Help us spread the message by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Together, we can empower more people to stand up for their rights. And remember, always record your interactions with the police. It could make all the difference.